been a while since I made my last video, and I've been busy with some other locks which I still find and cannot open, thanks to Johan from Sweden. For tonight's video I will try to pick this ABUS 34CS-55 hardened lock. Very sturdy lock, very heavy, incredibly thick shackle if you compare it to another ABUS. That's the 40mm version of, well, one of the ABUSes. You can see this is just really thick, so you're not cutting away to this lock with ease. Brand new, no spring tension on the core because apparently the core is removable, and because of the mechanism that is inside the ball bearings, they have decided not to put anything. You can see that you can remove it. Here's a screw, normal Phillips screw, 6-pin, and as most ABUSes, there are spools in this one. So enough with the presentation of the lock. Let's see if I can pick this for you. I did manage to do it once, I think once, and yeah, let's have a look if I can repeat that in some decent amount of time. So this was pin number 2, and let's see what else is on. So starting from the back now, 4 and 5 not. I think this was 4, maybe this looks like 3. Okay, this is 2 again apparently. So 2 is really easy to overset, so maybe I will skip it for now. Actually, the tolerances are all quite good, so it's easy to overset anyway. That was number 2. Let's see if I can push number 1. No. Number 1 is set. 2 seems to be set. 3. Okay, well, let's go to the back with a little bit deeper hook, hopefully. It will give me a little bit of more of feedback without oversetting any of the pins. Okay, this was number 1. It gave us full set. Finally something distinctive. And that was a definitive alpha set. Okay, I will try once again. And if not, we'll have to make another take. Okay, that was number 3, I guess. That was number 5. And I have a really deep full set now going. Let's see. Number 1. No. Number 2 seems to be set. Number 3. Let's nudge him a little bit. No. Okay. Let's go to the back again. The keyway is also tight, very tight, and that also makes it a little bit harder to pick. But that's only me whining anyway. So that's not a feedback, that's me rotating the core. This, however, looks like a... It might very well be. Okay, so I got a really deep falset going now out of number 6. And open. That was number 5, guys. Okay, so let's have a look what's on the inside. Of course, I didn't take my... Also curious, there should be... Well, I felt at least 4 spools. So I've not... And I counted wrong, but I believe there are 4. Okay, I will not move it a little bit more, otherwise the actuator with the 2 balls will also fall down, so don't want to assemble it again. It's quite easy to reassemble this lock, to be honest, but I've already done it a few times and I kind of don't want to repeat it again.
So my pin tray from Edinburgh, which is very small and quite it's very handy. So it's a small core, I will need a small follower. I think this one should do. And let's have a look.
If I can remove the C-clip from over here. Yeah, maybe we can lock it. Yeah, I will lock it anyway so that the core doesn't move because I have the pick for it anyway. The key for it. Let's see if I can hurt myself. I didn't even manage to hurt myself. That's really nice. Cool, so using the key to rotate it slightly. Hopefully there are no surprises here. Okay, I will rotate it to the side. And I will probably need to... No, I will not be able to use the plug follower, or maybe... Let's try it anyway. The worst thing that can happen is to make a huge mess. If not, I will just get it normal. Okay, perfect. It actually worked. So, all the 6 pins are here. They should be all standard. Now, if you all be so kind and go out. Oops. Oh well. I will have to see what was. Where are my tweezers? So that would be 2, that would be 3, that would be 5. Okay, that would be number 1 if it goes out. Okay, that was 4, and finally the number 6. So sticky, I don't know what they lubricated this thing, but it's just awful. Guess there is no side to the housing, which is both good and bad. And let's see if I really felt 4 spools. So let's say number 1 is standard, number 2 is a spool, number 3 is a spool, a small spool, number 4 is a spool, number 5 is a guessed spool, and number 6 is also a spool. So all of them are some small spools, and yeah, that was the ABUS with the small spools. Let me camera please focus. So here we go. That's what's on the inside the 5 spools. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Sorry it took a little bit longer than I expected, but as I said, I've been a little bit rusty recently and I can't open some simpler locks. Anyway, thanks for watching and keep it legal guys. See you in the next video.